Okay, so we're here taking a look into this unit, trying to find the cause of that noise, that rattling sound. Now, I haven't found anything that's loose mechanical, loose, that's causing the noise. This is the Eden element. It is secured tightly in place. Okay, these are the rollers, and they're they're up to specs. Nothing's wrong with the rollers. This is the motor pulley. That's all fine. The motor seems all okay. Now, I did notice two calls for the unit to be making noise down here. One, if you come over here and look at the heating element, this is the element right here, and you take a look at the connection and kind of shake it. See how loose that is? That's pretty loose. And if you can imagine, once this is energized and electrons are firing through it to kind of heat this element up, you could bet this is actually probably vibrating a little bit. Let's try to tighten it. That could cause it. Another cause is the motor pulley. Look how full of dust and thing that is. Yeah. So that needs to be cleaned out. Sometimes little stuff like little pins and stuff will get trapped into this, and it will start to make noise after a while. But other than those two things, I didn't see anything else that could really be causing the noise. I did check the drum, and the felt is good on both ends. Everything else is nice and tight. And that could actually be vibrating a little bit, causing the noise too. Okay, but I didn't see anything else in here that's wrong. So that would be my two recommendations, and hopefully that stop the noise. I'm gonna put something under here to kind of insulate that as well. That way it's not banging metal to metal like what it's doing there. So this is one cause. Got another possible cause over here. Got a third cause here that needs to be taken care of. Everything else was nice and tight. I didn't see anything else that could potentially be causing that noise in here, and everything else is within manufacturer specifications. All right.